In this video, I will show you how to enable Secure Boot for gaming on ASUS motherboards. For example, without the Secure Boot enable, you're unable to play Battlefield 6. You are getting this because the game's anti-cheating system requires Secure Boot to be enabled. First, in Windows, type msinfo32 to open the System Information app. As you can see, this computer uses an ASUS motherboard, and Secure Boot is currently disabled. If your BIOS mode is UEFI, you can proceed to the next steps. If your BIOS mode is Legacy, I will show you what to do later in this video. Now, if your boot mode is UEFI, restart your computer. Press the Delete key repeatedly to enter BIOS setup. Press F7 to switch to Advanced mode. Go to the Boot option. Find the CSM option. Disable the Launch CSM option if it is enabled. Press the Escape key to go back to the previous screen. Now, select the Secure Boot option. Change the OS type from Other OS to Windows UEFI mode. Next, select Key Management. If you see that there are no keys installed, select Install Default Secure Boot Keys to install the default ones. Finally, press F10 to save your changes and restart your computer. Open the System Information app again to check that Secure Boot is enabled. And now, we can play any games that require Secure Boot without any problems. Sometimes, you might notice that your BIOS mode is Legacy. This means your computer was installed using an MBR partition style. Before enabling Secure Boot, you must convert your Windows installation from Legacy to UEFI. Right-click on the Start icon and open PowerShell as an administrator. Run the command Get Disk to display all disks connected to your computer. You will see that all disks are currently using the MBR style. We need to convert them to GPT to work with UEFI boot mode. Windows has a built-in tool that allows you to do this without losing any data or needing to reinstall. First, run the command to check if your system can convert from MBR to GPT. If you see no errors, you can proceed to the next step. This process might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once it is finished, Windows will have been converted successfully, and the system disk will now be GPT. Now, restart your computer and open the BIOS again. Press F7 to switch to Advanced mode. Go to the Boot option. Find the CSM option. Change Launch CSM from Enabled to Disabled. Press the Escape key to go back to the previous screen. Now, select the Secure Boot option. Change the OS type from Other OS to Windows UEFI mode. Next, select Key Management. Select Install Default Secure Boot Keys to install the default ones. Finally, press F10 to save your changes and restart your computer. Open the System Information app again to confirm that Secure Boot is enabled. Now, Secure Boot is enabled, and your boot mode is UEFI. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.